Hi y'all. It has become now Christmas in June. So these are boxes that Laura sent me. Some of it I ordered and some of it is for a collab that we did and we're doing. So yeah, and I'll get to that. And then my Temu order went a little overboard. But now that I'm in Germany, look, I got a flower press binder thingy. And I got all these molds. Yes. And 2 of them, I can't wait to show all of them to you. But 2 of them are going to be for World Music Day. Can you see what they are? They're so pretty. All right, I will show you the molds later. Okay, so like I said initially, it was like Christmas in June instead of July. So this is the stuff that I ordered from Laura. So these cute little skull thingies. I think they're supposed to be ice cube trays, but I don't know. But they are so stinking cute. So I got 2 sets of those. Then I got some Galaxy Blue interference powder. Gorgeous. Some Neptune Green. I can't wait to use these, seriously. Purple Lotus. It's so pretty. Bleeding Hearts. Then I got some Emerald City. Oops. I don't know. Oop. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Absolutely stunning. It's an interference powder. Or chameleon? Chameleon, I think. And then this one is Scarlet Red. Ugh. Oh, hang on, I gotta get paper towel. So these pour pigments and other stuff is, look, they have been through some stuff. So she sent it to me at my APO, and then they returned them to her because they said I had moved with no forwarding address, and then she sent them back to me in Germany. So they have been to hell and back. But look at that gorgeous color. Oh, stunning. Oops, and I'm dropping it. Look at me. Let me stop. Oh, gorgeous. Then I got some Ruby Red Slippers glass glitter. Really pretty. Ooh, and you can see it because now it's on my mat. And then we got Lucky Green fine glass glitter. Some purple crushed glass. I love these. Then I got some special, it is special shimmer effects powder and pigment says Glitz and Glam Sun Catcher. Oh, and now it's all over. Ah! My cleaning lady is gonna hate me. And I think there's like 3 or 4 different maids that come and do it. But oh, look at that. All right, so I'm putting this stuff back. Ah. And you can see, you can see it, how it looks on black. Okay, hang on, I just gotta. And then, oh, I can't wait to use these. I got 4 different alcohol ink colors from Octopus Fluids. I got opaque cotton candy. Then I got opaque pistachio. I got brownie and Smurf. So can't wait to use that. Okay, so that was all the stuff that I actually bought from Laura. So let me put it back in a box because like this little area is all I got. So give me a second. But, you know, I have to say that I cannot believe what an amazing person Laura is. You know, she totally understands my situation, and she is ready to, you know, help me out in a matter of minutes. So this was sent for I think it's a collab that we're doing. So she sent me this piece of wood, and it's, you know, so that way I can put the glass on it. She sent me white allium pigment powder. And it looks like pearly chalk. I'm telling you what, absolutely gorgeous. Then she sent me some Lily of the Valley. This is one of her new colors. So beautiful. Then she sent me some new glitters that she's got. This is Forest Essence. And it is so pretty. Look at all those colors. That just screams forest. Then we have Gold Essence. And I love this because, and you can see it on here, because it's got little itty bitty pieces and the hexagon pieces, and then the little ones. Look at. Ugh, I'm getting stuff everywhere. Then Sea Blue Essence, and this one is very much like the gold, where it's got multi-sized. Oh, you can't tell me that is not stunning. Look at that. I'm telling you, y'all have to get over to Laura's Art Corner and get some of her gorgeous, gorgeous glitters and powders and colors and all the things, because they're amazing. And you can use my discount, APOKREATIONS, all one word. And here is crystal clear glass shards. And it's literally shards. They're all different cuts and sizes, and it's, oh, I I opened it before and I had a piece of popcorn in there. But anyway, it's, oh, Lord, I can't, look, I'm saying gorgeous all the time. And then AB pearls. And look at this. So cool. Then, as if that wasn't amazing enough. Okay, hang on. I gotta put this in the. Oh. And then she sent me these. So I've got some gorgeous abalone shell. Then she sent me some pearl beads, some smaller abalone. Oh, and look at this pink. I found a shell that was this color in Ireland, but it was gorgeous. Then she sent me this cool little apparatus. Let me take the little sticky note. It's called a bubble wand. And she had these made for all of her affiliates. And basically what it's for is, let me give you, okay, so if you have a mold that maybe has a rim, you run it along the edge of the rim, and it's like it's flat, but it's wide this way, but it's flat this way, and it will catch and pull the bubbles. And then this part just gives you something gorgeous to hang on to. But yeah. And she sent me some, okay, y'all, I gotta show you. I got these, guess where? Eiffel Tower scissors, because who doesn't need scissors that, number one, work, but fold in to look like the Eiffel Tower. Okay, I know. I am being extra, but I couldn't help myself. I'm like, well, I need scissors anyway. And these are the cutest. Look at these. And they have survived multiple shipments, like around the world, I feel like. So, love the starfish. Gave me some fire glass. So that's for this project. And the other thing that she sent me, I don't know if anybody else has seen people making the oyster shells. I think they're oyster shells, maybe. So these, so they look like this on the back, right? I'm pretty sure they're oyster shells. And then people like decoupage the inside, or they make, you know, put resin in there, and then they decorate the very outside edge. So that's what this stuff is for, this stuff. So that's one of them. And oh, look at that, right? Like it looks like there's fossilized shells on the outside of the oyster shell. And look at this. Oh, absolutely stunning. And then this one's, oh, and look. It is is just beautiful. Then I have another one that looks like it's had a few hangers on. And it looks like a shell within a shell. And then this is the last one. It is, I mean, both sides. Like, some people might think that this side is like, ugh, it's so harsh. But it's beautiful in and of itself. And then the other side. I cannot wait to decorate these. So, I am super excited to start using all of these amazing items that Laura gifted me and the ones that I bought. So stay tuned in the next, for the next couple of videos. So the other thing that I got from Laura was this cute ashtray mold, and it looks like, I don't know if you can even tell, it looks like tire tracks. And it is so cool. And then this, I'm not sure. Maybe it's the lid. Maybe it's a base. I'm not sure, but I'm going to ask Laura. Do me a favor, subscribe if you aren't already. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. To my current subscribers and members, thank you. I love you. Do me a favor and like the video. Give it a share. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And don't forget to visit the link that I put down below in the description for Laura's Art Corner and use my discount code to get some of the most amazing things. Check out her website. You will not be disappointed. All right. Take care. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you for the next one.